Trick or treat, smell like feet. Okay. Next.
What's up, guys? We got Max here. Luke just jumped on the Big Joe. This is Max's new Big Joe, guys. It's a Big Joe. Big Joe. And yeah, Luke has a giant Big Joe. Aspen, wherever she is.
I hear she's in the house.
There you go. All right, let's see what's in this box.
Guys,
We've got a new box, guys. A new box. Oh, what? What are these? Elemental, guys.
I really want to see elemental.
They're official Elementals toys from Disney. These are Disney. So these are official Disney plush and official Disney action figures. Look how many action figures are in there. Oh. There's Claude. Oh, he's so creepy. He's so creepy.
If you went to McDonald's and got a kids meal, then they had like.
Oh, they had those. Oh, there's Gail. Gail. Max got Claude. Oh, Wade! Look at Wade. He's sparkly. Oh my gosh. Wade looks so good. And there is Ember. Oh, Ember, she's shiny too. Her fabric is shiny. Oh yeah, did they just give a kiss? Oh, they finally got to kiss.
This is in the movie.
Look at how pretty her shiny fabric. Oh, and Wade. He's
Why is her head so
sparkly.
big? Why is she so skinny? I can see her underpants. Oh, what?
Ow, I can smell.
Gail.
She can smell
Okay,
anyone
here's
from
the pack.
Oh, these are.
Look at all these action figures.
Oh, yeah.
Those are the kind you have to untwist. But they might cut.
Oh, God.
Yep, cut.
Why is phone so big?
Look how cool they are. Gail's see-through too.
Oh, my God.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, my
look.
God.
It's the Earth guy. I don't know his name, but he's big.
Hello.
Yeah, look how big
I am
he
a
is.
bush.
Oh, look at these. They're like clear. So many of them are clear.
Ow.
Oh, they're so cool. I'm so excited about these.
I'd be him. I'd be weird.
Her. This is
I would be
Oh,
him.
cool. It's his mom.
Hey, you're my mom. What's up?
Wade's mom. What, is that the dad? The mom and the dad?
Dad.
Oh, the mom and the dad.
Oh, there's Ember. What about the
Ember.
They're out. Wait, would you rather be Wade's mom or the
Oh,
fire?
look at Gail. She looks so cool. They're like
her
all
nose is way
transparent.
smaller than hers.
Yeah, and look at how her head is fluffed up.
She can't. Oh, look at that face.
We're
Guys, look at that face. She's about to sniff a
trying to
mystery.
see the face. Oh, that's the sus face.
That's the
That's
family.
sus. Yep, there's Wade's family. There's Wade and his mother.
Look how big John is. Ah,
Look how tiny.
Whoa.
Hi, guys.
Is that Claude's dad?
Now I'm not.
Yeah.
I actually kind of want to
Hello. Wait, what? Oh my God! Look at her.
netherite armor on.
Netherite armor. Trick or treat, smell like feet. Okay. Next. What?
You have to sit on the spot. It's supposed to be right here.
Those legs are so.
He's so cool. He looks just like Wade. I'm gonna compare these to the generic ones we got. We got knockoff versions earlier, guys. So I'm gonna compare these to those because they're so much better. Look at Ember. She's like shiny and sparkly. Shiny and sparkly. And here's Claude. He's my least favorite character because he's like a stalker. She's so
And
much better than the
Gail.
other Gail. Yep, there's Gail. Two Gails.
You can't even see.
Look.
Fire family.
She looks so cute.
No.
Here's the fire family.
And then the water family.
The water family. Wade and his mother. And then here's the earth family. Here's the dad. I think he's the dad of Claude, right? He's got his coffee. Is that the dad of Claude, or is he like? And there's Claude. There's all the action figures.
2, 1. Get off!
Creepy.
I'm gonna set this up for a picture.
I call the pink one.
I want this. Look at her face.
Is Wade gonna give Ember a kiss? No, they can finally love each other.
No. They were actually married in the movie.
Oh, they love each other so much.
At first they didn't. They hate each other. Except him. Okay. Not today. Save it for the wedding.
Oh wait, I didn't even notice there's another one.
Well,
This one, wait. Oh, it's the player. Oh my heck, it's the cloud player guy. Check him out. And he's, he's got a sparkly
I'm
ball.
setting it up for a picture.
How cool is that? He's awesome. These are all so cool and like transparenty and cool.
Looks like I'm going to your mother's only.
Now we've got a beautiful display that Aspen did. Yeah, look at this display. These guys are over here. And these guys are here.
Why is she looking down? She needs to get bended a little bit over here.
Yeah. These guys
You're a
are-
giant, Aspen.
Oh, it's gonna rain, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my heck, it is gonna rain. It's gonna rain. We've got rain
I
coming.
just hit my face on the window.
I'm gonna grab the other ones, Max, so we can compare the bad ones to the good ones.
Did you hear it?
You sound like one. I see Dave.
Yeah, that's the knockoff Gale, so let's compare her to the Disney. I could only find this one, guys, because the rest are buried.
Should I go find them?
They're buried in the plushie pile. So look, this is the knockoff Gale, and this is the real Disney Gale. Look at that difference. I wish I could find the rest, but they are buried in the plushie pile, guys. I looked and looked. Yeah, she's so good, huh? This little one is interesting. I wish even the Wade is so much better. Remember his blank vacant stare? The knockoff one. She's so cute. Oh, her underpants.
Snap. Put it back down.
Yeah, there you go. Ember! Hold this down.
No one needs to see
There.
that. Yeah, she's good.
Oh, it's a little too high there. It's not going down very good.
That's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. At least she's got undies.
Yeah, not just.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's covered. We're okay now.
Yeah, I think Wade's my favorite, guys. This one's my favorite.
You get one?
How did you find him? No way, how?
I found him.
Are you kidding? So Ember's the only one we don't have. Look at this. Lukey found him. I don't know how they did it, but he found Wade. And look at his vacant stare. This is the knockoff version of Wade. And look at him compared to the Disney version. Look at just their faces. So much better, huh?
Oh, God. What is that looks like?
Yeah, he's got a pink shirt.
It looks like he comes out of the hospital.
And look, he's
Or he just
even
got
like
blind.
a silk tie. Look at that. And his little inspector
Where's
sign.
Aspen?
She's probably looking for Ember.
He's blind.
Yeah, Max said he has a dead vacant stare.
He's lifeless.
Okay, now let's look at Claude, the creepy guy. So, it's not too bad, but definitely different.
See how big she is. Oh,
Yeah, Gail's huge, huh?
That's good. She's not that big. She's like this big in the movie.
Yeah, she's tall, huh? So here's the Claude.
Compared to her family.
Oh no, Ember is not that tall compared to our family.
Now she is. She's this tall compared to her family. And look. Wade is this tall compared to the family.
I can't believe you found these, Luke. I was like, look at. So look at the Claude. This Claude is much fluffier.
Yo, Embo.
These weren't these. Oh yeah, these were packed really tight. Like they were sealed, air seals. Like all the air was sucked out of the package, and they were all wrinkly. Remember how wrinkly they were? And we had to put them in the hot tub and then dry them in order to make them puffy.
Oh yeah, I saw that video.
I think his hair is good. The knockoff Claude, his hair is good.
I find the lost
Yeah, I don't know
They
where
need
Ember
to
is.
switch their hair.
I bet Marshmallow took her. So yeah, and look at this. The Disney one has like these cool shoes.
With a little flower.
Look at these. Yeah, he's got a little flower there.
Wait, some mother's back.
And he's got a hoodie. Look, he's got a
His
hoodie.
feet so small.
Yep. Oh, he's got his flower there.
Small.
Yeah, look at her tiny feet compared to her big
See,
hair.
cat was stand.
Yeah, look at all the details. Hey Max, did you notice his hoodie? He's got a little hoodie.
Yo, yo, yo.
Look at the hair. Oh, it's so soft. It's so luxurious.
I need to do something.
This hair is soft too, but this hair is minky soft. So now we just need Ember. Ember is much better. Is she sniffing? Wait, Max, show the kids. Yeah, which ones do you think are better, Luke? The knockoff ones or the real ones? Yeah, which one's better? Which one's higher quality? Well, there's Aspen. I mean, there's Kissy and Huggy. Yep. Oh, and look at Ember's legs. I just noticed her arms and legs. Now with the light on, you can see it really good. Look at this fabric on her body, on her arms there and on her legs. Look at that sparkly fabric. It looks like she's on fire. And look at that, it's on her hair too. Look at that. It's so cool.